Hi everyone, Sarah here. So today we are unboxing my first Chuck Pinson. Yay! Okay, I hope it's in focus. I apologize, guys. I'm looking to my monitor, which is a little bit of a distance away from me, but I also have fairly bad eyesight, which needs to be checked. Since the pandemic, my prescription has gotten worse and I need new glasses, but with the eye doctors closed, I can't get in there unless it's an emergency, and apparently not seeing is not an emergency. So I try my hardest and everything looks blurry for me anyways. And I cannot find where my camera is. Okay, so this is Sea Breeze Trail by Chuck Pinson. This one just happened to be restocked when I was on the website, and I believe it was like June 27th that I had purchased it. I haven't had a chance to do any unboxings or anything just purely because of the heat. It's been a little too hot for me to do this stuff right now, but it's a nice breeze tonight, so we're gonna give it a try. I just don't think you guys would want to hear the fan in the background. So yeah, an update on air conditioner. The part is on back order because of COVID-19 and it's possibly not coming till August 15th to the 30th. I don't know if I will survive or if everyone in my family will die, but we'll see. All right, so I believe that is focused. Let me just tap, do a little tap tap to make sure. Okay, so this is a square, 74 by 55, and we have 1, 2, and again, number 3 is down here, 136, that sneaky blue AB. So AB is Aurora Borealis. It's that shiny extra coating. There's our little sticker that we get and the toolkit, and because this is a square, we have the beautiful stabby tweezers, which I love. I love these stabby tweezers. They're my favorite. Everything else is the same. Okay, so where's this beautiful thing? I want to get these done because obviously I have more coming. Actually, I just have one that was a new release from last weekend that is shipped, and the other ones are, gotta put my hair up. The other ones are pre-sales that I had purchased that will be shipping, I believe, like end of August, early September. They're spread out like that. Obviously, with me being new to Diamond Art Club and seeing all these diamond paintings, I want them all, but I know I can't have them all, but I will get a few. Oh, this one's gonna be so beautiful. I love beach scenes. I would love to live on a beach. That's not gonna happen either, but you know. Here it is. Sorry, it's not gonna fit in the entire frame, but it's just a beautiful beach trail going up to the water with some sailboats, and we've got our palm trees. The colors are really pretty. The blue AB, there's like a couple in here, and then there's some spread throughout the flowers on the side here, the foliage. And then there's a yellow and a white. So the yellow are the yellow these number ones that are in the palm fronds. So there's just some sprinkled in there. And number 2 is, oh, number 2 is sprinkled down in here with the flowers. So these white ones down in here. So that is going to be really, really pretty. Everything is nice and clear. Super sparkly. It's just a Diamond Art sparkly canvas, apparently is what it is. It does nothing for the actual diamond painting, unless you have rounds and there's like little spaces peeking through. The extra sparkle is nice to peek through your round diamonds, but on a square, you're not going to see that sparkle, but it's really, really pretty. So that is Sea Breeze Trail, right? Right. Okay. Lots of diamonds. Beautiful colors. One of my favorites. Okay, so we just start with a taupe here. This beautiful mint green, 775. I'm gonna have to memorize that. It's my favorite color. These two, 3371, they're both the same. And then we have two greens of 904. It's like an army green, blue, and this is getting closer to a Kelly green, and then a deep forest green. Oh, and I betcha, yeah, there are actually 4 of that deep forest green. Black. Beautiful peach. Some blue. Oh, this is going to be just gorgeous. We have our taupes. Beautiful fuchsia. That's obviously going to be down here in our flowers. And then we have some reds and fuchsias. There's some more blue and green. Oh my God. Deep, deep purple. Mustard. There's our Kelly green. Beautiful fuchsia. Here is the, I said yellow AB, but it's more like a lime. I don't know, would you say like a highlighter yellow, really? Beautiful purple. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Here's our blue, the 136. That one just sparkles so pretty. And there's our white. Gorgeous. So this one is going to be really nice. I'm not sure what order I'm going to do these in, because obviously I have lots of paintings that I want to work on. And I wanted to work on the review ones first for you guys, so that you can see the finished project. This one's probably going to be put off to the side for now, but it is my first Chuck Pinson. I will always remember my first. So cute. There's a couple seagulls in there, or boats. It's going to be really, really nice. All right, so there you guys go. If you haven't seen Sea Breeze Trail, then there it is. All right, leave a comment, subscribe, and have a great day. Thanks, bye.